Alright, let's go part 2. Let's go a little bit longer. It was only a minute. I forgot about that. So fine. So I got like I think 2 of these. 1 or 2 of these. 2 of these? Yeah, 2 of these antibacterial hand soap refills. Did I get? Because I have what's it called? Whatever. It doesn't matter. I have this Pro-Choice. Not Pro-Choice. Liquid hand soap. It doesn't matter. I'll just put that in here. What's the problem? I think I actually bought a 2-pack of this also. We'll find out. So I got Dove. Let's see. Yeah, 410 milliliters of conditioner. This was, I don't remember. I'll have to figure it out afterwards. So I got 2 of them. They're on sale. They're like a big sale. I got 50% off. And I needed detergent. I got a 2-pack. Some Fresh and Clean Darlie toothpaste. It was cheap. Wait, what is this? Oh, man, I got 3 of these? I think this is buy 2, get 1 free? I don't remember now. I got this, which is... Oh, come on, man. Hope I didn't crack anything open in there. Yeah, I really packed it up in here, huh? I got... Oh, good, I didn't do this. This is laundry detergent. This is 700 ml, I think. 700 milliliters of laundry detergent. I thought I had the screw top. I hate this. What's it called? So it's buy 1, get 1 free. I think it's 89 baht. I don't remember. So I got 2 of them. That'll last me a while. Now I bought 2, and I got 2 free. Buy 1, get 1. Then I got this 2+1 toilet cleaner. I don't need that much, truth is. I don't know why I got it. It's quite large. This is 900 ml per bottle. I have to clean my toilet bowl every day. Really? Almost broke the thing. Then I got this Z-Pack. Z-Pack? Or... it's 920. What? Maybe there's a bonus in here? I thought it was supposed to be 195 sheets. Huh. So see, that's 780 sheets. But then was it... how's it... Oh, it's 230. Oh, it's like a bonus. Oh, nice. This was, I think, 99 baht. $3. For 4 packs. I guess 230 each. So instead of, I don't know what the 140 is. Oh, maybe, it's 140 extra. It's 780 normally, then get 140 extra to get the 920. That's good. I was going back and forth. Like I said, it took me longer to order this stuff, to go figure out what's the best pricing on all this stuff. Let me see if I can find my receipt. I thought I bought this, but I guess because I already have 2 of these things, 2 of the antibacterial soaps or whatever here, containers I don't really need. Where's the receipt? Alright, so I didn't show this part. This one here, this was like 25 baht. I mean, this is dishwashing liquid. But maybe it's not really good, I don't know. But it's a 3-pack, 400, okay, hello. Sorry, my laundry was done. It's like 1.2 kilos, 4 pounds, whatever you want to call it. 400 milliliters each of a refill on soap, detergent, liquid detergent. So like this is what I usually use. And I was going back and forth because they had like a bag of this. They had a 2.2 kilo bag. We had a 3.2 kilo jug. I had bags like this, like 500 mil, I don't know. So I figured this was the cheapest. This is 25 baht. I couldn't go wrong. I think it was like 75 cents, I think. I don't even know. The rate's like 33. That's an XE foreign exchange tell me it's 75 cents. They're rounding whatever. So 75 cents for 3 of these packs. That's going to last me a long time. This thing here, I have a pack. So I bought this last time I was here. This is the refill. Right, but I didn't have one like this. This is 1950 milliliters or 1.95. They had a 1.8, but I don't remember what it was. It was more than this, definitely. This was so cheap. But this one looks a little bit like, it's like almost like a generic type, whatever. So I got all this type of stuff. Let's get rid of this. I got all this for $23 and change, delivered to my house free, and it took maybe half an hour. Excuse the shirts, I gotta iron those. I got 2 conditioners, 3 antibacterial soap, just liquid soap, so I can whatever wash my hand. I got 3 packs of dishwashing soap. I got 4 packs of laundry detergent, 3 giant bottles. I might see if someone needs also the bags. Actually, no, I shouldn't have cut the bags because I used them anyway. I got a 4-pack of tissues and 2 pounds of sugar, which also I don't need so much. I don't need that much. For $23 and change. Where are you going to get that? Oh, and toothpaste. I don't think you could do such a thing over in the States. You're not going to get it in the U.S. It's not going to happen. Laundry detergent alone is going to cost you about $4 a pop. So it was $8 to $16. This is going to cost you, I don't know how much. I don't know. I don't remember buying the bowl cleaner for a while. But this is 3 large bottles. They're 900 mil. They're almost a liter. Well, yeah. All right, it's been a Kosher tourist in Thailand. It's good to be back.